Beyond the act of sheltering, architecture becomes a conduit for inhabiting a specific time and place. Nestled within the rolling hinterlands, the federal house transcends mere functionality. It embodies a dialogue with the surrounding landscape, acting as both an immersive experience and a distinct entity. This project is a testament to the interaction between site and modifier. It aspires to be interpreted from various perspectives, both distant and close. From afar, the house retreats, a subtle shadow against the vastness of the landscape. Upon approach, the previously unseen roof, the building's fifth façade, comes into sharp focus. It stands as a deliberate outsider, a precise object contrasting with the ancient heritage of Bundjalung country. Closer inspection reveals a textural shift. The initial impression of a machined form gives way to a richly layered skin of thick timber battens. This organic material fosters a more intimate connection with the human experience. The house echoes the typology of settler colonial homesteads, incorporating a controlled yet expansive veranda. This allows for modest living spaces to seamlessly flow into a sheltered outdoor area. This dynamic interplay between interior and exterior allows for a transition between privacy and openness, between the immediate surroundings and the sprawling northern vista. The deep veranda creates a gradient of shadow, blurring the lines between inner and outer thresholds. This provides a sanctuary from the ever-changing weather conditions, offering refuge from pounding rain or scorching midday sun. Anchored beneath the upper platform lies a subterranean surprise, a pool connected to a planted void at the heart of the house. As you enter, a glimpse of ferns reveals the still water below. This element stands in stark contrast to the expanding upper level. Descending into the pool void offers an experience of intense interiority. Lighter materials above give way to a sense of solidity, grounding the structure and creating a profound connection to the place. Stepping into the water transforms the building into an instrument for experiencing the world through the senses. The mirrored horizon at the pool's end beckons, drawing you in before returning you to the garden platform. This cavernous space evokes a natural swimming hole more than a traditional lap pool. Discussions with the client, inspired by the works of Zumthor, Tanizaki, and Pelasma, paved the way for this exploration into the atypical. Their willingness to venture into the unknown deserves recognition. Sustainability remains a core principle. Natural ventilation draws cool air from the pool's surface upwards, maintaining a comfortable temperature throughout the house. Rainwater is collected in a 60,000-liter tank, while wastewater treatment utilizes an advanced system. Infrastructure is in place for a future solar array on the planned storage shed. The federal house is not just a dwelling, it's a conversation between humanity, nature, and the passage of time. It's a testament to the power of architecture to create a unique experience, woven into the very fabric of the landscape. It is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.